Yeah, welcome back, netizen, to this particular series of tutorial on practical application of C. I'm C. Chris Delagnoid. I'm doing this tutorial for netizen. In this particular tutorial, we are going to continue with our previous tutorial, creating C programs, practical C programs. And in the last tutorial, we created how we can uh, transfer a particular file from one directory to another. Sorry, I think I'm making a mistake. That is our 13th tutorial. In our last tutorial, we created how we can list all the files directories in a particular folder. All the files and directories in a particular folder. And in this particular tutorial, which is actually our 16th tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can copy a particular file content into another file. This is a basic example is assuming we have a particular file containing some particular thing. Example is this. Okay, in this particular tutorial, actually, we are going to copy a file from all these contents of this file. Let's create another file and let's call it put.txt. Sorry. So we call this 2.txt, and we are going to copy all this content of this file, which is test.txt. We are going to copy it into put.txt. That's what we want to do actually. And let's see how we can do it. First of all, let's cancel this thing and create a particular and say copy from .c. Okay, and here we are going to first of all include our SDIO library. SDIO library, and here also we are going to put our int main function, which inside it we are going to write all our codes. Okay, and here we are going to start by declaring our file, and we are going to give it a variable get from. So, and the second variable is which is going to be our file is put2. Let's come down and declare a char. This character means everything we are going to copy should be in a character, char h. This is the variable with bear char h. And let's come here and see get from. Our get from variable is going to open a file or work with a file, text.txt. Okay, then this thing is going to write this file, write this file from binary. This means read. I'm making a mistake. So this is called read. So this is going to read this file with a binary format. So for you to copy a file from one particular, copy a content of the file to another file, you have to read it through a binary. That's C for you. So I'm going to check whether this thing actually is null. That's get from is equal to null. Then if it's equal to null, let's just write error. Let's say error opening a text file. Okay, let's say return 1 and let's move on. Okay, let's come here and also you can comment when writing your own. I'm explaining it with Mama, that's why I'm not putting a comment. Let's come here and go to our put2 variable, and we're going to open on this file put.txt, and actually we are going to write as a binary into this file, and the same thing, let's come and copy this thing so that you won't waste our time. We are going to say put to, and we are going to say put. So but here now we are going to say return to, and actually we are going to close our what do I call it, get from. We are going to close our get from declaration or get from file here, and let's see, sorry, I'm making a mistake. The variable shouldn't be inside quotation. Okay, close it. Let's come down here, and down here we are going to write using while loop. We are going to get the character. You know, if you come here, you discover that this character is not only one character. So using this while loop, now we are going to look through all the characters on that particular file content, and we are going to put it inside the put.txt. So using while loop, you have to get all the characters. If not, you might get only one character. That's the function of this while loop. And it says while the character, you can declare the character, and we are going to use fgetC method to get it from this file. Remember, this our get from variable now is bearing our, that's the opening of our file. So if this is equal to this, sorry, I'm making a mistake. No, actually I'm going to put in something here, and this thing we say now, if this, okay, not equals EOF, then this means if sorry, I think I'm making a mistake somewhere. Okay, there is no mistake, actually there's no mistake. So let's just use a fputC method and put this file into this particular put2. Okay, that's it for now, and let's come down here and say fclose. We are going to close our two file, which is get from, and we are also going to close our put2. So this particular is while is actually checking whether this thing, if this thing is so, if it can be copied, then put it inside this place. And we are going to come down now and close our files and say printf. So in case everything goes successfully, we are going to say file content successfully copied, and we close it, our return to 0. Let me actually save this thing. Come here, save it. Okay, I think let's clear this error here. Save it, and let's come here. There is nothing actually inside this put folder, and this thing is here. Let's run our code and see how it goes. File content successfully copied. If you come here, everything has been copied into this file. That's a simple program on how to copy file. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I want to make this tutorial to be short, just as it is, but actually all these things is what we are going to use to apply in our future tutorial when we are going to be building advanced program. Just learn the basic. Thank you, and remember, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video and put on the comment section if you're having any confusion. Put it in the comment section. We attend to your confusion. So thank you.